Have you ever felt like time is always slipping through your fingers? It's a common sensation in our fast paced world, where deadlines and obligations seem endless. Cluttered workspaces, an avalanche of emails, and continuous meetings often leave us more exhausted than productive. The true cost of this inefficiency extends beyond unfinished tasks. It's the missed opportunities for personal and professional development. Recognizing the barriers to our productivity, whether they stem from individual habits or workplace culture, marks the first step towards impactful change. It's not merely about putting in more hours, but investing them wisely. As we embark on this journey to enhance work efficiency, we're not just aiming to survive the daily grind, but to thrive within it, discovering how focused adjustments can significantly elevate our performance. Diving deeper into the pursuit of efficiency, we encounter transformative practices and tools designed to redefine productivity. Effective time management, exemplified through techniques like prioritization and the Pomodoro method, reveals hidden reserves of time, making every moment count. The adoption of productivity tools, task managers, and focus enhancers plays a crucial role in streamlining tasks, doubling the value of our efforts. Central to harnessing these strategies is cultivating a growth mindset, fostering resilience, and viewing challenges as stepping stones to innovation. Moreover, optimizing your workspace goes beyond mere organization. It's about cultivating an environment that inspires success. As these strategies interweave, we not only inch closer to striking a harmonious work-life balance, but also to a state where stress is diminished and productivity maximized. The narrative here is clear. Integrating these practices transforms the elusive into the achievable. Envision a workday where every task not only aligns with your goals, but propels you towards profound personal and professional development. This envisioned reality has been achieved by those who adopted the strategies we've discussed. The consistent application of time management techniques, combined with the strategic use of productivity tools and a commitment to self-improvement, orchestrates a symphony of success. The rewards are significant, offering not just a notable boost in efficiency, but also a healthier work-life balance, making room for what truly matters. By embracing these changes, individuals have unlocked new potentials, proving that with the right approach, achieving more with less stress isn't just a possibility, it's a promise fulfilled. This journey underscores a transformation leading to reduced stress and heightened achievements as the ultimate outcome.